Hello and welcome to Guiding Bolt. Today we're going to be fixing a broken zipper that has come off one track. In our case it's a duffel bag today, but in your case it might be a backpack or even your pair of jeans. All you'll need for today's fix today is a few minutes of time, a pair of scissors, and a needle and thread. So the first thing we want to do is pull our zipper all the way to the end as far as possible. We're then going to take our scissors and cut in between two of the prong pieces of the comb on the side that the zipper has disconnected from. And we want to cut down as close as possible to the zipper. So it might be difficult to do. You want to make sure you have nice sharp scissors, but you want to cut just a little slash, just like that. So once we have that snipped, we can go ahead and thread it through just like we were zipping up a coat to get these tracks lined back up. Now, if this happens, where your zipper doesn't actually zip the zip, that could be because your zipper, when it pulled out of the track to begin with, might actually be loose on the back end of it. So unzip it, take it back out of that track, and you want to gently on the back butt end of the zipper here, clamp this down lightly with pliers because it needs that pressure in order to zip the two sides of the track together. And then go ahead and rethread it. And voila! Our zipper is now zipping perfectly. So the final thing we want to do is we want to take our needle and thread, and right above where we made that snip, we want to create sort of a backstop for the zipper so that it doesn't come off of that spot again. So I'm going to quick do that. It doesn't have to be pretty, doesn't necessarily have to be neat. We're just going to keep going around in a circle here enough so when the zipper comes back, it hits the thread and stops. So right in front of that thread, we're just going to keep going, or that snip, we're just going to keep going around in a circle until we have a nice little thread stop for the zipper. After sewing around in a circle a few times, this is what our bag now looks like. We have a stop that will catch our zipper so that it doesn't go back to where we had snipped it to rethread it. And that is how we fix a zipper that has fallen off one side track. I hope this video was helpful, prevents you guys from having to run out to buy an emergency backpack, duffel bag, or pair of jeans. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you back here next week.